In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable disable development mode through CloudFlare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to use it confidently while you're making changes to your site. Development mode is a temporary switch in CloudFlare that bypasses the cache and serves content directly from your origin server. It's especially helpful when you're updating style sheets, JavaScript, or images, and you want to see your changes immediately without waiting for cached content to expire. Keep in mind, while it's on, visitors may experience slightly slower load times because every request goes straight to your server. It also automatically turns itself off after a few hours, which helps prevent it from staying on longer than needed. Start by opening your CloudFlare account and signing into the dashboard. From the main dashboard, choose the specific domain you want to work with. This ensures you're adjusting settings for the correct site, especially if you manage multiple domains. Once you're on the domain's overview page, look for the caching section. Click Caching to open CloudFlare's caching controls for that domain. Inside Caching, go to the Configuration tab. This is where CloudFlare groups the cache-related toggles and options you'll use during development. Scroll down the configuration page until you see the section labeled Development Mode. You'll find a simple toggle there. Turn it on to enable development mode. After you switch it on, CloudFlare will usually display a confirmation or status indicator to let you know it's active. From this point forward, CloudFlare will bypass the cache for that domain, so new changes you push to your site should appear immediately. To verify it's working, open your site in a new browser tab, or better yet, a private or incognito window. Perform a hard refresh to ensure you're not seeing a locally cached version in your browser. If your updates appear right away, development mode is doing its job. If they don't, double check that the toggle is on and refresh again. When you're finished testing or deploying changes, return to the same development mode toggle in the caching configuration section and turn it off. If you forget to turn it off, remember that CloudFlare will automatically disable it after a few hours, restoring normal caching and performance. That's all there is to it. You opened your CloudFlare account, selected the right domain, navigated to caching, went into configuration, scrolled to development mode, and toggled it on. Thanks for watching, and happy building.